Right now, the search is on. A woman who pleaded guilty to ripping off the State Fair Remembrance Fund is now a fugitive from justice.
A judge has issued an arrest warrant for Stephanie Murray after she failed to show up for sentencing, and that failure could land her in jail. Our TV6 reporter Derek Thomas joins us with that story. Derek?
Erica, prosecutors are shaking their heads over Murray's disappearance. One told me it's not the brightest thing she's ever done. The plea agreement for 26-year-old Stephanie Murray was straightforward. She would serve 4 years on work release, 1 year on probation, and perform 100 hours of community service. This is what she said after her August 27th hearing. Stephanie, are you sorry about what happened?
Justice has been served. Getting out. No further questions.
She was to report to community corrections, but she failed to do so, and a warrant has been issued for her arrest. Her behavior has caused consternation at the prosecutor's office.
It was probably not the brightest thing she's ever done. As far as whether it's a major blunder with her future and what happens with this plea, that remains to be said. But yes, she did a pretty dumb thing. She should not have disobeyed a court order.
Violating the court order could mean she will serve her sentence in prison. That's where legal expert Jack Crawford thinks she will end up.
This young lady has looked a gift horse in the mouth. When you get community corrections as part of your sentence, that's a gift from the court. And when you violate your conditions of community corrections, and in this case, just don't show up, she has made a terrible blunder for herself.
Murray stole $2,900 from the fund, but she was arrested before she got a chance to cash the check. Her aunt, Sandra Hearn, has already been sentenced for stealing $7,500 from the fund. She was sentenced last Friday to 2 years on home detention, 2 years suspended, 3 years on probation, and 80 hours of community service. Now, there's been nothing official put in the court record, but we have heard that Murray may surface and surrender herself to the court on Tuesday. Derek Thomas, RTV6.